a walk by the river.
Ew! Why is this river is full with chemicals?
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no, 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 no!
Isn't that Cory the fish? Wait, is she hurt?
It's the end of my life as a fish living in this river.
Are you okay, Cory?
No, I am not okay. My home is polluted with chemicals.
Chemicals?
Don't you know the impact of chemicals to our river? Chemical pollutants can pose extreme risks to the surroundings. Pollutant impacts may range relying on their source and type. Chemical pollution can affect environment, plant, human and animal, and aquatic life. Eutrophication takes place when the surroundings are enriched with nutrients which increase the algae growth. It causes algae bloom, which diminishes the oxygen level in water. Plants may absorb bioavailable metals that are present in the soil, and this can cause dysfunction of plant metabolism. Impacts of heavy metal toxicity toward humans vary from moderate skin, eye and nose irritation to excessive stomach ache, diarrhea, headache, and dysfunction of organ. Aquatic life, human and plants, are significantly influenced by the presence of dyes in water. Unfortunately, they hinder daylight penetration into water bodies and decrease dissolved oxygen. As a consequence, prompting the death of photosynthesis organisms and other aquatic life within the environment.
I'm sorry to hear that, Cory. I wonder what are the causes for this situation to happen.
Cory! Emergency meeting!
Who was that?
One of my friends. What is it, Diadre?
This is bad! There are more chemicals flowing down the river. You have to move away right now.
What? That is horrible. Who would do such things to cause this mess?
It is mostly the human activities that cause this mess. Chemical contamination occurs when water, air, and soil are polluted by chemicals resulting from human activities. There are three causes of chemical pollution: illegal chemical dumping, solvent from industries, and pesticides used in farming. Waste has been formed without conscious by people from homes and industry, which cause a lot of contamination. This occurs frequently near rivers and lakes where individuals may accept the contamination and proof will be swept away by the flow of river, which cause harmful outcome for the water source. Solvents are a group of structurally diverse chemicals that can be used to dilute, dissolve or disperse with other compounds such as water. Industries built near river to easily disposal of used solvent by using water treatment method. But people are unaware that some of the solvents are still reactive, especially the combination of different solvents. Pesticides are used to protect crops against insects, fungi, and other pests. Still, they are also play the main role as the food production. Nowadays, people have begun to use chemical type of pesticides. With the excessive use, it will run off towards the nearest river and cause water pollution and poison aquatic life. And lastly, the chemicals ended up to the river, which is our home.
Humans? I didn't know that. I'm so sorry, Cory and Diadre. Is there any solution that I can help to save the area?
Sorry to eavesdrop, everybody, but I believe I can give you some solutions to save the river.
Stephanie, the owl!
She is right, Sophia. Our friend Stephanie here is the wisest animal in the area. I am sure she can help you.
Please, do tell us, Steph.
River pollution is due to various untreated toxic effluents and emissions that are being illegally discharged from industries. This can deteriorate the water quality of the river to great extent. I will explain to you the three methods of chemical pollution control. The first one is chemical waste minimization method. The second one is eutrophication control, and lastly is the public awareness and stricter law implement. In agriculture, farmers can minimize the intake of fertilizer, which is by using fertilizer in accordance to soil requirement. By doing this, the farmers can obtain the most economical level of production. The second method is the public awareness and stricter law implement. Public awareness of the natural environment can develop the ability to understand of the cause and effect interaction between the quality of the environment and human action. It also make the human more sensitive of any environmental changes and a sense of appreciation for Earth's natural resources with the intention of preserving them for future. On the other hand, stricter regulations and law for reliable management of the conservation of clean rivers should be enforced. Those that create pollutant should pay the cost of treating it in order to ensure the safety of human health or the quality of the environment. The last method is eutrophication control. For farmers and ranchers that are nearby the river, they can reduce eutrophication by seaweed aquaculture. Seaweed can retain the phosphorus and nitrate, thus it can help to restore the river. And that is how you can save the river, Sophia.
That's a great solution, Steph. Alright, I will do my best to help saving the area.